What's up, mi gente? I hope everybody is doing amazing. So today I'm here to share with you how to pack for fall with multi-use simple outfit ideas and why the level 8 luggage it is an absolute must-have for your adventures, especially if you're tired of those worn out, uninspiring suitcases. Definitely you are in for a treat. Do you see me? This thing is huge, you guys. First of all, it comes with a nice dust bag, and this thing is huge. Actually, you can put a dead body in here. I can put myself in it. Wow, how beautiful. This is like a fashion statement. It is sleek, it is modern, goes 360. You can go run around like a ballerina. Look at this handle right on the top in here. Imagine having this full of makeup, like a trunk like that. That's really cool. So you have this handle right on the very front part of the luggage, and obviously the upper handle. Now, I don't suggest with the weight to pull from here. So what I would like to do is just the other handle from here. So it has 1, 2, 3 handles around the luggage, and then you have your top one. That's where you pull, obviously. I like this color, by the way. It's like a two-tone. It's like a light blue greenish minty color. So again, it's very stylish. It's very European looking, very cute. You can travel in the best airline in the world. Your luggage is gonna be tossed around. Doesn't matter what. You can be flying first class. It does not matter. So definitely you wanna get a luggage that's gonna be substantial and that's gonna be high quality and that obviously looks cute. We have on the left here a huge compartment, very, very large. I think this would be great for shoes. Maybe some of the camera equipment, like a small tripod, or again, you can do your underwear and socks. This one, it has like a plastic. This I have never seen. This is great for maybe some liquids that you're packing. It has a huge other zipper. Look at this, you see? So you can put stuff in here. You can put stuff in here. Flip it around. Look how deep this is. This is of course very common in all luggages. So you have your security belt, I call it. So this set comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, holy cow, 5, 6. You see how you can open the bottom of this pouch? Look how wide you can make this. It's almost like you have a whole different bag, and it comes with the handle. It's like a mini backpack actually. Look at this. So you have a handle and you can make it super wide if you want. This is like a carry-on almost. That's pretty neat. And then there's the other size down. Pretty much the same concept with the handle, and you can actually make them wider as well. Great for my makeup, all in one. I can fit all my makeup in just this bag. This long one for your brushes. And it comes with 2 additional ones. I gotta tell you, the holidays are around the corner. So if you wanna really give something to someone that is high quality, that is good, that is definitely usable, I think this is just a great idea for the holidays, you guys. So this trunk is called the Voyager Check-In 30 inches, and it goes for $349. Keep in mind, it comes with 6 packing cubes and obviously the trunk as well. So it's like the whole set, you're getting everything for $349. 32.1 inches in height, 16.7 is the width, and 13.3 it is how deep it is. I'm about 6 feet in height. It is a little bit lower than my hip. No matter the size that you get, even if you are very petite, this just moves like a dream. Literally, it spins very, very smoothly. It goes front, goes back, side to side. Just reviewing once again. I'm revising it, everything. It is an investment, right? So you have to truly be secure and know what you're spending your money on. The material, it is a German-made polycarbonate called Macrolon. So it is very light in weight, in essence, but it's also very durable. And it has a TSA approved lock for streamlined security checks right in here. I think this is a very, very neat feature. And it doesn't come out. So it stays there in place. Just to open it up, you lift this and it's open. Also says in here that it has a micro diamond finish for a refined, resilient exterior. I would never thought about it as a micro diamond, but I guess it's just the texture of it. You know, it's like a little rough on the outside, and they call it the micro diamond finish. It has a 360 quiet spinner wheels for a graceful maneuvering. That it is a must have in any luggage. I don't care what brand it is. They gotta spin 360 for me. Those old-fashioned ones that you have to literally go straight, they will not turn left, they don't turn right, and you're like just cursing the heck out of it. And I think life gave me my lesson. And I was like, Georgie, yes, it is important to have a good luggage. And when I got a flat tire, literally on my way to New York and then going on a train, and the luggage was heavy and I have no choice just to lift that thing up, I almost was crying like a baby. Yeah, you need to have quality in your luggage. So I guess the handle, this is made of aluminum. It has a dry-wet separation pocket for smart, clean organization. Oh my gosh, so that plastic, they said, oh, you can do makeup in there? Yes, you can. Why not? But that plastic, it is if you have wet clothes or dirty clothes. If you go to the beach and things are a little bit damp, that's why you have that plastic in there. That's really different. I have never seen that before. That's very convenient. If you buy the luggage on its own and this separate, it'll be more expensive. So it's better just to get the bundle to save $60 on that one. There are companies sometimes they don't provide any type of additional discount codes for influencers or content creators, but I'm going to reach out to them again and I'm gonna convince them to give me a discount code for you guys. So hopefully I'm able to do that, and if I'm able to do it, the discount code is gonna be right there below when I do the video editing. I want to add the discount code right on the screen, and also it should be available in the description right there below as well. 5 items. They are gonna be very versatile. So let's start with t-shirts. If you know me, you know that I live on a good t-shirt. So I suggest having a white t-shirt and a black one. Blue jeans, white shirt, obviously with black. And if you want to elevate that look a little bit more, what you're gonna do is pack a third piece. By the way, this is a great third piece. This is by the Leather Maker, 100% leather. I'm gonna make a video actually about this jacket in here. Great for the fall winter season, handmade, very good quality. It feels just like a dream. Buttery soft, you look like $1 million. I'm just wearing a simple tank top. What it looks very good on is just the jacket. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pack your leather jacket. You can style it with a t-shirt. Black on black, it is always very classy, very chic. And your pair of denim. And that's one look right in there. More for like the daytime to kind of soften the look just a little bit. That always goes, right? That's why I say black and white t-shirts are a lifesaver. And your favorite pair of jeans. Very traditional, but it's effective. And it never, ever goes out of style, you guys, never. Let's say that you're gonna go for a casual business meeting. I always love to have a cardigan, especially if you're gonna be in the airplane that sometimes it gets a little hot, sometimes a little cold, you're in between, you don't know. A cardigan will help you a lot. And it looks classy. It looks very classy, very elegant. So just a cardigan with a t-shirt and your jeans is a whole different look right in there. So something more casual, very laid back, but yet presentable. I think I'm gonna go with the yellow one. I mean, the black one, it is timeless as well. That lime green, not lime green, that mint green, I think it's just very 60s looking, very retro, and I think it's super adorable. Navy blue, very classy as well, very masculine. If you're more adventurous like me and you like some color and you're not afraid of that, the yellow one, oh, that is a showstopper. So stylish, so fashionable. It might cross your mind. It's like if I'm spending over $300 on a piece of luggage online that I have never heard of, what is gonna be the warranty? Well, what's gonna be for you, right? The lifetime warranty covers any functional damage to the shell, wheels, handles, zippers, or anything else that impairs your use of the luggage. Obviously, it only covers manufacturing defects. It's not that you're gonna throw them down in the ocean or you're gonna kick it and you're gonna sit on it and gonna crack it and then you're gonna make a mess out of it and then obviously expect that they're gonna freely give you a new one.
That's mine, yeah.
All right. Alright, so there you have it. Durability, style, functionality, and smart storage. So grab your level A now and travel like a true pro. Alright, mi gente, so do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to more about fashion, travel tips, makeup, and reviews, and everything that we like to talk about here on my channel. And again, any questions, please leave your comments right there below, and I will answer to you as quickly as possible. Alright, I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Have an amazing day, have a blessed day, and spread love, and do not hate. Alright, see you next time. Take care.